Okay, now I am solving the issue for my Docker. Image build is not working. So instead of doing the 80 port and 443 port, I come to the 8800 and 8081 port. Others code are similar as usual. Okay, so now I am coming to my project location and Docker tutorial. Inside the src folder, open again the opening terminal. Okay, so again create docker build -m and image name is my.net image. Okay, so click dot. So building is successfully. If I clear screen and click the docker ps, sorry, again clear Docker, yeah, to large scale images, and you see my .NET image is present there. So my .NET image is my image name. I copy this and open the notepad and paste this. Okay, and now in my docker compose file, you see it's open in the port 8080 and port 8081 in the inside the container. So I am uh, binding my host machine port 80. Suppose if you want to 8085 port, and in the container inside 8080 port. Okay, now if I copy this and click a git bash, if I paste this, click and start, you see my container is starting. Now if I clear and write docker ps, you see my .NET image, and it's opening in 8085 port and inside the container 8080. So I am now opening my browser and click the local host and 8085 swagger. You see my page is coming successfully, container is run. If I try it out and click name is abc, email def, phone number 1 anything. If I execute, data is inserted. If I get the contact, click execute, data also present. Now check the redis part. If I try it out, key, suppose key is name and value is taposh. If I execute, see data is inserted. If I get using the key name, if I execute, you see also the data is present. Now fantastic. Now we learn how to build our image and create an image, and using the image how can we create our container. So previously I'm using the .NET 8 version. It's now also in the previous stage, so that's the reason 80 and 443 port is not working smoothly. So that's the reason I found that only the 2 line is needed when you are build this application, when you are creating your image. Okay, so next video I will show you uh, how to I can also add our own image in a docker compose file. Okay, for now, bye bye.